God, it's so windy. It's going on so typhoony. My big boy is blown away. Look at the tree. I have to pick up my vegetables. It is so windy like a storms. I have to put my plants down. It is so cold. My neighbor's plants to put it down. I'm gonna put mine too. It is so windy like a storm. We have a storm. Wow. Unbelievable. I have to pick up my vegetables down there. Oh my goodness, it's so windy. Oh, look at the tree, guys. Oh my goodness, I have to pick up my things. Look at the plant. The tree is already going. I have to pick up my vegetables from the. It is. Oh my goodness, it's so windy. Get my. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Where is my things? Oh, my bell pepper. Wait. Go back inside. I have to put my vegetable down again because the wind's gonna blow away. Where's my vegetables? Oh, there. They're safe now. Oh, my tomatoes, my bell pepper here. They're safe. They're hiding. So I have to put up my plants here because we're gonna. This one's okay because they're heavy. They're gonna fly away. Hopefully not. And my other plants. I have a dream last this morning that this one was shattered because of the wind. That is crazy. And my tomato, I have they're safe now. This is heavy, so they're okay. That one's okay. Oh my god, this is crazy. One day. Unbelievable.